Ever thought of unlocking the future right at your fingertips? Well, today I'm diving deep into the world of AI to bring you 6 mind-blowing, absolutely free AI tools that will supercharge your content creativity. From jaw-dropping content creation to ninja-like note-taking, these AI wonders will help you level up, get more done, and unleash that inner genius. And hey, for my busy bees out there, all the links are cozily tucked away in the description box down below, so let's jump right in. All right, folks, now it's time to dive into our first fantastic AI tool, Kleep.ai. So, what's the deal with Kleep.ai, you ask? Well, it's your AI-powered website wizard, conjuring up stunning websites in mere seconds, no coding or design skills required. You've got a dream for a website. Whether it's a snazzy portfolio, a killer blog, a sleek landing page, or even an online shop, you name it, and Kleep.ai can make it happen. All you've got to do is tell it your vibe, and like magic, it whips up your vision in a jiffy. But wait, there's more. You can fine-tune your creation by picking your content type, color scheme, tone, lighting, and even throw in some fancy image generation. Plus, there's an ethical AI option for the conscious creators out there. Want more? Well, they also got a free QR generator with live stats and analysis to stay ahead in the game. They are customizable and look fab on any device, from desktops to tablets to smartphones. Why go for Kleep.ai, you ask? It's simple, speedy, chic, and it plays nice with all platforms and domains. Oh, and did I mention that it's a cut above the rest? Kleep.ai uses AI to craft websites that scream you from every pixel, embracing your style and personality. And here's the best part, it's completely free to get started, and if you are a social activist or somewhere near the line, Kleep.ai is offering a free premium plan to support your drive to make an impact. Amazing, isn't it? Now, I'm curious, have you given Kleep.ai a whirl? Share your thoughts down in the comments. Coming up next is another fantastic free AI tool, WriteSonic.ai. This tool is like your secret weapon for creating content effortlessly and providing an outstanding customer experience. With WriteSonic.ai, you can craft on-brand, accurate articles in a jiff even if you're not a writing pro. All you need to do is toss in a topic or a headline, and voila! WriteSonic.ai whips up a top-notch article for you in just minutes. And the magic doesn't stop there. You can use WriteSonic.ai for various types of content. And that's not all. WriteSonic has a bag of tricks. You can whip up AI-generated artwork, audio files, and a bunch of other cool stuff. Plus, if you're up for it, you can even craft your very own no-code AI chatbot for hassle-free customer support. It's like having your AI buddy to chat with your customers. When it comes to creativity, WriteSonic is all stacked in one. It's quick, dependable, full of creative juices, and super versatile. You can generate engaging, informative content without breaking a sweat or doing extensive research. Plus, you can fine-tune your content with the handy suggestions and feedback WriteSonic.ai provides. What sets it apart from other content creation tools is its ability to churn out factual, original content that perfectly matches your brand's voice and tone. To top it off, it's completely free for life. Yes, you heard me right. Nothing can beat that for sure. So, have you ever given WriteSonic.ai a spin, or are you thinking about trying it out? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive into the third gem on our list, Playground.ai. This one's a nifty AI image creator that lets you work your image magic like a pro, even if you're not one. The cool part? You don't need to be an artist or download any fancy software to get creative with Playground.ai. It's a breeze to use. Just toss in an image or sketch something on the canvas, and like magic, Playground.ai transforms it into a realistic or stylized image in the blink of an eye. But the fun doesn't stop there. Playground.ai is your go-to for all things image editing. You can mix images together, stretch images beyond their limits, turn your sketches into real-looking images, collaborate with other users on the same image, create mind-blowing image collages, and lots more. What's so great about Playground.ai? It's completely free to use, and the best part? It's full of imagination, and it even encourages collaboration. You can create and tweak awesome images without any hassle or limitations. Plus, you can share your creations and explore what others are cooking up on Playground.ai. So what do you say? Ready to have some fun with Playground.ai? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. All right, let's chat about the fourth tool on our AI adventure, Fireflies.ai. This one's your trusty AI meeting assistant that takes the hassle out of recording, transcribing, and note-taking during meetings. The best part? You won't be stuck with any manual or tedious work when using Fireflies.ai. Here's the deal. All you need to do is link up Fireflies with your favorite video conferencing platform. Think Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Skype. Once that's done, Fireflies automatically becomes your meeting sidekick, joining your meetings and recording everything for you. Now here's where it gets exciting. Fireflies doesn't just stop at meeting note-taking. It's like a Swiss Army knife for meetings. You can do real-time transcriptions for 69+ languages, get automated meeting summaries, adjust playback speeds, analyze your team's performance and engagement, and sync your meeting data with other tools like CRM, Zapier, Slack, and more. Why should you give Fireflies.ai a shot? Well, it's a productivity powerhouse, incredibly accurate, keeps you engaged, and provides valuable insights. You'll be able to breeze through meeting note-taking without any hassle or errors. Plus, Fireflies.ai helps you up your communication game with its analysis and feedback. Now, here's the kicker. It's free forever to use, so you won't have to ever worry about taking them meeting notes. So, are you ready to make your meeting note-taking smart and hassle-free? If the answer is a big yes, tap the link in the description box below to dive into the world of Fireflies. Let's talk about the fifth AI wonder on our list, TinyWow. Now, this one's like a treasure trove of free AI tools that you'd typically have to open your wallet for. But guess what? You don't need to be a tech wizard or have any fancy software in your arsenal to make the most of TinyWow. It's as easy as pie. All you gotta do is pop your file or type in your text on their website, and just like that, TinyWow works its magic, converting or editing your stuff in a jiffy. But here's where the fun begins. TinyWow is like a genie for your digital tasks. Whether you need help with writing or sprucing up your photos, this AI has your back. And it doesn't stop there. You can count on TinyWow for all sorts of file conversions and editing. Want to turn a Word doc into a PDF or vice versa? TinyWow's got you covered. Need to jazz up your images, maybe remove backgrounds or throw in some snazzy filters? No problem. And when it comes to videos, you can trim them down or throw in subtitles. Plus, if you've got some writing to do, TinyWow can help whip up essays or summaries with the power of AI. Need to manage your files? You can compress or merge PDFs and the list goes on. What's the deal with TinyWow, you ask? Well, it's super convenient, dishes out top-notch quality, offers a smorgasbord of options, and takes your data security seriously. This AI gem outshines the competition because it leverages AI for fast and reliable file conversions and editing. And the icing on the cake, it's absolutely free. Hard to believe, right? Now, it's your turn to share your TinyWow experience. If you're ready to dive into this cool AI world, check the links in the description box below and get started with TinyWow. Let's dive into our final AI champ, Lumen 5. This tool is like your own personal video guru powered by AI. It's all about making video creation a piece of cake, no matter your skill level. You don't have to be a video editing pro or have fancy software to make the most of Lumen 5. It's as easy as pie. Just feed it a topic or drop a link to an article. And boom! Lumen 5 takes care of the rest, whipping up a snazzy video for you in minutes. But here's where the magic happens. Lumen 5 isn't just about basic videos. It's like a treasure chest of video tricks. Need a video template? They've got hundreds of ready-made options for different categories and occasions. Want to jazz up your video with effects, animations, transitions, filters, or stickers? It's all on the menu. Need smooth and stylish transitions to connect your scenes? They've got you covered. Plus, you can turn your text into voiceovers or captions. Pick your voiceover style from a bunch of options, groove to thousands of royalty-free music tracks, snag high-quality stock photos and videos, add your branding with logos, color schemes, fonts, and so much more. Why should you give Lumen 5 a whirl? Well, it's a breeze to use, super speedy, unleashes your creative side, and delivers a powerful impact. You can create eye-catching videos without breaking a sweat or getting lost in complicated software. And the icing on the cake? It's absolutely free. So what do you say? Ready to give Lumen 5 a spin? Share your thoughts on your favorite AI tool that's been a lifesaver for you in the comments below. That wraps up our AI tool adventure. We've explored some incredible free AI tools that can make your digital life a whole lot easier. From content creation and note-taking to image editing and video production, these tools have got you covered. And the best part? They won't cost you a dime. So, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Tap the links in the description box below to take a quick dive into these amazing free AI tools. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing AI tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.